The home of Sansrival and Silvanas, Dumaguete City is located in the province of Negros Oriental, Philippines, consisting of 30 barangays with over 131,000 population. Dumaguete City is the major jump-off area to some of the famous tourist destinations in the province, such as the Manjuyod Sandbar, dubbed as the Maldives of the Philippines, and the neighbor province of Neighbor Siquijor. Kumusta mga kalakwatseros? I am back with a new travel guide video with my recent travel to Dumaguete and Siquijor. Sa mga bago lang sa channel na to, welcome to my channel. My name is Ron at ako na ang bahala sa pagplano ng inyong next travel adventure. Medyo natagalan tayo mga kalakwatseros bago makapag-upload ng bagong travel vlog. But the long wait is over. Let's explore Dumaguete City, Manjuyod Sandbar, Dolphin watching, and the majestic province of Siquijor. Dumaguete City is over an hour away from Metro Manila via air, care of Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airlines. From Dumaguete Airport, take a tricycle going to your accommodation. In my case, in Gabby's Bed and Breakfast, 7 to 8 minutes away from the airport. Tip mga kalakwatseros, para makatipid sa tricycle fare, sa bandang labas kayo ng airport sumakay ng tricycle. Yun if wala kayong maraming dalang gamit. By the way, Bisaya ang dialect ng Dumaguete, so wala ako nagalisod sa pakigistorya sa mga taga Dumaguete kay Bisaya man sad ko. Depende sa oras ng iyong arrival, while waiting for your check-in, grab a food in Gabby's Bed and Breakfast. By the way, Gabby's offer an all-day breakfast menu and the place is a food hub at kilala rin ito sa buong Dumaguete dahil sa masarap nitong mga pagkain. Pagkatapos maka-check-in, it is time to explore the city. Either you will ride a tricycle to the downtown or pwede rin namang maglakad to better appreciate the place. First stop, take a walk in the famous Silliman University, the center of learning in the South, founded in 1901. Other than Silliman University, there are other universities within the area such as the Foundation University, founded in 1949, Negros Oriental State University, founded in 1907, and the St. Paul University, Dumaguete, founded in 1904 and is the first St. Paul educational institution to be established in the Philippines. Just behind the Silliman University, take a walk along the Rizal Boulevard where the Dumaguete landmark can be found. Picture time at the hills by the lake, you were chasing your dream, and I gave you a rose that you kept on seeing, kept on seeing. Pwede ring magpalipas ng oras at magantay ng takip silim at saksihan ang pag-ilaw ng Dumaguete landmark. And just behind it are the street food vendors at magbubukas lamang ito around 5 p.m. onwards. The misty bright moonlight I were told, when the storm is raging in your head, when you feel there's nothing more ahead,
shoulders, and you kept holding my hand as you reached for water.
So, I am here in Gabby's bed and breakfast. So, murang-mura lang to. This is just around 700 plus per night. So, I'll be staying here for 3 nights. So, after a day of gala on my first day here in Dumaguete, so it's time to transfer some of my footage here to my laptop para ma-free up ko na din yung memory ng SD card. Take a ride over an hour to Manjuyod Sandbar from Dumaguete City. Take a bus papuntang bayan ng Bais or Manjuyod kung saan ang jump-off area going to the dolphin watching and the famous Manjuyod Sandbar. For DIY, pwede rin kayong mag-rent ng bangka for a day tour in Manjuyod Sandbar and dolphin watching, and it will cost you around 3,500 pesos maximum of 15 packs or 5,000 pesos maximum of 60 packs. Tip mga kalakwacheros, if you are on a solo backpacking, I would suggest na kumuha kayo ng joint tour available at the Klook app for only 2,400 pesos per person, and take note with Department of Tourism accredited tour guide na yon at masarap na lunch. First stop, dolphin watching. From Bais Port, it took us around 30 minutes papuntang dolphin watching area. Next stop, the Maldives of the Philippines, the Manjuyod Sandbar. Tip mga kalakwacheros, tingnan ang iyong calendar at hanapin ang dates kung saan mas litaw na litaw ang sandbar. At sabi ng aming guide, check if -1 below ang low tide. Yun ang the best time to visit the Manjuyod Sandbar. And just a few minutes away from dolphin watching, makikita nyo na ang napakalawak na Manjuyod Sandbar na may lawak na mahigit 600 hectares. For accommodation in Manjuyod, meron itong 4 na cottages. Rates are 3,000 pesos for day tour use or 4,000 pesos for overnight or 6,000 pesos for 24 hours. For reservations, email to info@manjuyodsandbar.com and advance reservations is needed. After we enjoyed the sandbar, we had our lunch sa bangka. And after the lunch, we went to snorkeling just a few minutes away from Sandbar. That's all for my Dumaguete travel guide mga kalakwacheros, and if you want to see more of my travel videos, please subscribe to my channel and click that tiny bell para updated ka sa mga susunod ko pang travel videos. Next video, we will explore the majestic Siquijor Island and pasulubong tips in Dumaguete. Bye for now mga kalakwacheros, until next time, peace!